Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix TikTok payment method not showing or not working. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open the TikTok app and tap on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen. Next, tap on the three-line icon at the top corner, and inside this menu, tap on the option called Balance. Once you're in the Balance section, tap on View. You will see View option here, and then tap on Live Rewards. Now here's the important part. First, check if your account has at least $100 available in the balance, because TikTok requires a minimum of $100 to process withdrawals. Next, check the payment method you've added. Make sure you've entered the correct payment information and that your debit or credit card is valid and not expired. If everything looks fine and it's still not working, you should go back to the balance screen to double-check your balance amount. Again, you need a minimum of $100 for any withdrawal to go through. A common question people ask is, why is TikTok not paying me? Well, TikTok might temporarily suspend payments to your account if there is suspected invalid or fraudulent activity, or if you violated TikTok's terms and conditions. That might explain why you're not receiving any funds. Now, if you don't even see the balance option under Settings and Privacy, you'll need to report the issue to TikTok. So tap on Report a Problem, here scroll down, and then select TikTok Balance and choose Other. Then tap on Other once more. After that, tap No and then tap on Need More Help. This will bring up TikTok's support page where you can explain that the balance is not showing up in your settings and request them to restore it. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix TikTok payment method not showing or not working. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.